Hello, this is Mandy Ross with Gwen's Foxy Nest, and we're going to be creating a hand-painted bunny. And you'll need a surface, 3 colors of paint, 3 paint brushes, and your bunny that you've printed out on the computer onto just regular copy paper. So I've already put down the black paint, and it was just acrylic paint that I had. Now I'm adding the chalk paint, which is 1 to 2 coats, or the coverage you need depending on what kind of colors you're adding there. So once that gets dry, we're going to take our little bunny that we cut out from copy paper, and we're going to center it there, and then we're just going to trace around it, okay? And get the detail from the printed out design. So this kind of saves you from having to do the hand painting. So you guys, if you guys enjoy this, make sure you're liking and sharing it with your friends, liking our page, and supporting us so we can bring you more great content. So we're going to finish this up and just fill in the circles basically. And this is just a great way to make some hand painted things if you're not artistic but you love to craft. So we're going to get that on there, and then we're going to let it dry. And I'm just going to use my little hair dryer to get it dried faster. Okay. And now we're going, and you could stop there or you could distress it. And so this is why I love chalk paint, is that you're able to I took a Lysol wipe here and just took off a coat of paint basically and gave it a little more character and dimension. Obviously, if this is not the style that you like, you can stop and just leave it all white. Okay, once we get that done, we're going to add a little hanger so we could put on our door, in our, in the kids' room, along with our other Easter decorations, whatever we like to decorate with. I love that turquoise. It is so Eastery. Okay, and now we're going to just take a little ribbon. I cut about 10 inches, and I'm going to just tie it around, and then at the opening of the ribbon, I'm going to take and cut diagonally to make the little, I say, bow tie for on each end. And then there you go. It is complete. So make sure you like and share us, and thank you for watching today. Oh, I almost forgot the little cottontail on there.